They are back! Y'all, they are finally back. Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. They did a restock. The pads that took my skin from this at the end of the summer, that's what my skin looked like. I use these pads every single day, and within like a month's time, almost all of that was gone. Now I'm in my maintenance, so I use these probably like a couple, maybe like 3 times a week. If you struggle with dark spots, melasma, sun damage, redness, uneven skin tone, you're gonna want to get these. One side is like a rougher, like waffly knit type thing, and then the other side is soft. So what you're gonna do is just scrub your skin, rub it around for a good minute all over. Also, by using the rougher side, you're getting an exfoliation as well. But they do stain your fingers, so make sure you're like rinsing your nails if you don't want to mess up your nails. You can use them up to every day, but if you have more sensitive skin, just use the softer side rather than the exfoliating side. They're 100% organic, handmade, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. I rub it into my skin for about a minute. After that, I let it sit on my skin for another couple of minutes just to kind of soak in all the juices. Rinse with warm water. And then you can just apply your skincare like you normally would, but this is my skin right after. Okay, that was the end of, no, it was September. That was my skin in September. And here it is now. And it's natural. I just finished up with my regular skincare, but these do not restock often. When they do restock, they sell out fast. So if the link is still there, grab them now if you want to get them, because who knows how long they're gonna last? Probably not long. Okay, love you, besties. Bye.
There is a 20% off coupon on these. That is crazy. I have never seen a coupon on these because they usually sell out so stinking quickly. These are the turmeric and kojic acid exfoliating pads. Why we love these, they are going to brighten, tighten, help with skin texture, help clear up your skin if you're having blemish issues. Why I started using them was for my pores and for my sunspots, my brown spots on my face, to help brighten everything up, and it absolutely has helped so much. My son uses them for blemishes on his face, and it has helped his skin so much. Let me show you what they look like. They smell absolutely amazing. They have turmeric, kojic acid, vitamin C, some essential oils as well. They are handmade, vegan, made in the USA. You have a side that is textured. This side is smooth. So stinking yummy. You only need to use it 2 to 3 times a week. I would do it all over my face, my chest, and in my armpits. Any place that you want to like brighten and tighten, this is where you are going to use it. I have never seen these with a coupon because they usually sell out within a few days to a week whenever they have a restock, because they are that stinking good. So if you haven't tried them, now is the time to try them when they have a 20% off coupon.
Listen, these are handmade in the United States, Oklahoma to be specific. They sell out pretty much every single day, and they are 1000% worth every cent. They're the kojic acid and turmeric cleansing pads by phor Essentials, and I've been using them every other morning for about a month now. One side is textured and one side is smooth, so you can get a very gentle exfoliation. They are amazing to brighten up dark spots and acne scars, and honestly just your complexion overall. I use the textured side and scrub my face for like a solid minute, and then let the product sit on my face for about 2 minutes before rinsing it with cool water. I always get a couple pimples during like my time of the month, and they've been helping so much to stop any type of scarring or dark spots. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, they're also cruelty-free, 100% organic, and 100% vegan. So I'm gonna let this sit for another minute. I'm gonna rinse with cool water, and then I'll be back to show you what my skin looks like after rinsing off the product. I mean, come on. Look at my skin after that. It's amazing. If you're seeing this and the link is still available on this video, get them while you can. They will be sold out before you know it.